I have just been to Clark Customs, let's open the van properly, Clark Customs to pick this bad boy up. I'll be getting my good friend Alex to put the engine back in. So the car's back off the ramp now. With the boys have finally got the engine in, and as you can see, let's pan over to this now. How far, how low and how far back it actually sits. The handling and stuff of this car work pretty well. We've got the exhaust manifolds front facing for the big silly turbo that's going to sit somewhere there. Yeah, it's all slowly coming together. So the next step will be we'll get it loaded up on the truck and we'll get it over to Jason.